Hello my YouTube friend, this is Now Mechanic here, and today I'm working on a 2005 Town and Country, and all I'm doing is just changing the filter, the air filter, and it's right here. It's located in front and the passenger side, and it's very easy. It has a clip here, pull this clip back, has another clip back here. This one you gotta push hard. There you go, you push it down, and when you don't pull it up because it has these clips right here that goes in. So what I'm gonna do to make it easier for me, I'm gonna loosen up. Oh, this is loose. Look at this. Okay, let me loosen it up a little more. No, it's not that loose. Loosen this right here with a screwdriver. And what you're gonna do, you're just gonna push this back right here, and you're gonna pick it up. Pick it up. Wanna be gentle. When you pick it up, this is the clips I was telling you about. These two, it goes right in here. Let me just show you. It goes in there like that. So all you wanna do is just pull it back. You don't have to take the whole thing out, but you wanna make things comfortable for yourself. Turn it. You want to change the filter, so just pick it up. Just remember how it goes, because you don't want to put it like this. Let me see. I just want to see if it fits like that. But then again, you never know. Somebody will put it like that. Doesn't go like that. It goes this way, the way we took it out. Okay. So what we're gonna do is take out the old one, the new one. I should clean up in there a little bit. I'm outside, so I don't have a vacuum. Just get a rag. Let me get a rag and clean up in here a little bit. If you're doing this at home, make sure you want to clean everything up in there. That is clean. It's not that dirty in there, but you want to make sure that yours is clean. Okay. Not that bad. Okay, and then what you do is just put the filter in. Remember what I say, it goes up like that, and it's very easy. Go straight in. Let me just show you. Has to when you put it, I'll just show you. You want to make sure that this part right here goes right in there. Goes right in there like that. Okay, I dirtied it a little bit. I don't know how. These gloves are clean, and that's it. That's how you change it. To change it, you want to put the the cover back. Push this back. You know what? Let me put it in a tripod, and I'll be right back. Okay. Well, what you want to do is, remember, you got this rubber hose here, so you don't want to break that. You have these things right here. These three, it's 1, 2, 3. It goes 1, 2, 3, right inside. So what you want to do is just take this, push it back. Move with one hand so you can see it. Push this back, then push this in. I'm gonna put it right in. Okay, push it in, make sure it's all in, bottom, in, and make sure in the process that you didn't take the filter out. Okay, once you push that in, I'm gonna push the clip and the clip from the back in, back up. This one up, okay. So now you just wanna push this in, make sure it goes in. If you see what I'm putting this in, let me just show you over here. I don't know if you can see that. You see, I put it in here, but in the bottom it's not in, it's bending. You want to make sure that's in also, that it's even all around. It looks like it's in the top, but the bottom is not in. So you want to make sure it's in. Everything is in. See, once it's in, you'll know, and then you push it in. Once you push it in, take the screwdriver. You want to screw it back on. You don't want to do it too hard. That's it. Make sure everything is in. Make sure it's in the bottom. Make sure, look, this clip came back out. Want to make sure that clip is in. Make sure the clip in the back is in. Make sure everything is in. Let me show you in the old one. In the old one, what I was saying, this groove right here, you want to make sure that it's nice and flat, and you want to look around and make sure that everything is in, is nice and flat. And that's about it. And that's how you change the filter on a 2005 Town and Country. Once again, this is Non-Mechanic. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, post them down below, or you can email me at nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. Thank you for watching. Later.